If this is your first video seeing me, I do apologize. But hi. Too much water, so the pigment got really diluted. Like the red came out really cool. I just had way too much water. So after I boiled all the pigments, I was like, cool, okay, let's go. And I swatched them, and then it did not come out how I wanted them to. So the first painting that I did was awful, absolutely dreadful, especially because once again too much water. So I wasn't using watercolor paper, because I wasn't gonna waste good watercolor paper on this kind of project. And the water just went straight through the paper that I was using. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna try again. Because I was like, oh, it's okay, because I like the sketch that I do, because I do a face. And I was gonna do the outlines and the hair in charcoal. And the charcoal just kept ripping up that page. And I was like, oh my god. So I was like, okay, we're gonna start over. And I did a different face, which came out a lot better. A lot better. Maybe not ideal, but it was better than nothing. And it was a fun experiment. So with the different face I was like, okay, I'm gonna go back to my kitchen. And I got some turmeric and paprika. And I made a paste. This time I didn't use too much water, although it's very pasty. It's very crusty dusty, but it's okay. So I made a nice little woman in a very much simpler design, which was a lot better. Thanks so much for watching, and bye!